Lynn's youngest daughter was recently diagnosed with borderline personality disorder and has issues with substance abuse. As part of the search for help and treatment, Lynn's family turned to Sunnybrook's Family Navigation Project.
And she's actually participating now in a fairly high support program where she's not living at home, and that's one of the resources that was suggested by Family Navigation, so that's been really helpful.
Family Navigation, Jillian speaking.
The Family Navigation Project helps find care for youth aged 13 to 26 living with mental health issues, addiction concerns, or both. Those in need can call or email to get in touch with a navigator like Jillian Polson. Not only do navigators find appropriate care and resources, but they stay in the boat with families for as long as it takes.
Sometimes it's parents just starting with the process and they really aren't sure where to go. Or other times, they've tried all of these different options and nothing's working, so they need some assistance in helping find the best next steps for them.
Dr. Anthony Levitt is medical director and co-founder of the Family Navigation Project and says great resources are available.
But unfortunately, trying to find your way through the mass of services is almost impossible in certain circumstances. And really, before the Family Navigation Project, it's really hit and miss.
And that means many youth may not be getting the help they need, and the need is immense. Across Canada, about 2 million Canadian youth are living with a mental health or addictions issue.
Most of the major mental illnesses we deal with, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, have their onset in early or mid or late adolescence. And so if we can get kids and youth into treatment early, we can prevent some of the more longer-term consequences of having untreated illness.
Those consequences include problems with school, employment, social functioning, and overall physical health. Suicide is also one of the most common causes of death in Canadians aged 13 to 19. Lynn says she's grateful her daughter is getting help and for the role the Family Navigation Project has played.
Ongoing support and communication and a phenomenal wealth of resources that we can think about in relation to what would be helpful.
Families in the GTA can contact the Family Navigation Project by calling this number or sending an email. A navigator will be in touch within 1 business day. With Sunnyview, I'm Monica Mattis.